This is Joe Peterson with MarineMax of Clearwater. I'm here today to show you our beautiful and elegant Sea Ray SDX 270. You can see how elegant the lines are with the tan hull color. You do have the complimentary and optional white ski tower, black bimini top that offsets the color change to the hull. This boat comes equipped with the 300 horsepower Verado. You got your sea deck on the back end of the boat for comfort of coming in and out of the transom. Coming aboard the boat, you see the facing rear lounge seat for sunning, ski tow bar, very easy walk through transom, and also you'll see a flip up step coming from the dock to easily get in and out of the boat. This does have the infinity carpeting, very easy to maintain. You can see how comfortable the cockpit arrangement is with the L-shaped wraparound seating and also the flip back bench seat. You have seating over to the starboard side. Underneath that you will have additional storage. Underneath the rear seat, that's where your dual battery selector switch is at. You have your Mercury vessel view 9-inch screen. Shows you the GPS, all your gauges, all your instrumentation on the boat. This has been a very popular boat for Sea Ray. And you do have a very large head with a pump out porta potty, stainless steel sink. Nice walkway through the center of the boat to the bow. You do have a door that closes off to section 2 going into the bow. Walking forward, you'll see the flip down armrest for comfort. Up in the bow, you have another boarding ladder, so you do have a bow and a rear boarding ladder. Your freshwater shower also to the bow and to the rear. Again, they just thought of everything with this. What a nice and beautiful color selection that they have. The white accent goes great with the mocha upholstery. Very nice ribbed design to it. And again, a great performing boat with a 300 horsepower Verado engine. This is Joe Peterson with MarineMax of Clearwater. Why don't you give us a call? Come in, see the boat. If you'd like to sea test it, we can set that up for you. We got some very good weather coming up here that your family's going to enjoy immensely. Our number is 727-637-7649. Thank you. Have a great day.